Hello friends, let me tell you 5 benefits of coding. Number 1, patience.
Coding generates the power to be patient, as coding itself is a tedious task. While learning it, it naturally creates patience.
Number 2, creativity.
Coding is turning imagination into reality, and creativity helps intentionally gain new insights and different ideas through existing information.
Number 3, power of perspective.
Coding holds the power to gain the confidence to understand the situation from different perspectives.
Number 4, logical thinking.
Logical thinking is the act of analyzing a situation and coming up with a sensible solution by using reasonable skills to objectively study any problem.
Number 5, power of self-learning.
Coding helps an individual to learn oneself in a process where the individual makes the effort to identify their own learning needs, set learning goals, find the necessary resources, and evaluate their own knowledge.
To know more about coding, stay tuned with Pionifty. Thank you.